Let's talk about two weak areas of this market right now. One we talked about before, NVDA. Secondly, home construction. Surprising? Yes, but let's take a look. What's been the best performing sector since the October lows? Well, if you guessed the communication sector, I would have been right with you. Even the broad technology sector, but it's not them, even with an almost 50% gain. How about home construction? Almost a double in a year. But can it continue? The short answer is probably not. Folks, this looks like a topping pattern. Check out the volume spikes on this push down. A little bounce, what you would expect after a big long advance, but then you see volume come back in as price comes back down. This thing's about to break, and on a long-term chart, this is a 4-bagger over the last 3 years. It's going to come down to a full retest regen on that swing point high. That price point around 76 is going to get you back into that swing point low over here on the weekly. That's the first target. Bounce from there, proceed back down. Eventual target all the way back into the low 60s. That's the home builders. That's the home construction. That's a problem. Now turning to the second order of business, which is NVDA. Back on August 22nd, I said, earnings coming out. This thing looks like it's just topped. Stocks is going to hit. NVIDIA is going to get hit. There's going to be a better buy. That was then. This is now. The date we called it was here. Here's the earnings spike. Big volume. What does it do? Same thing it did that day that I reported. Turns around. Volume comes out of that to the downside. The eventual bounce tries to get back up there, and it's been all downhill since. That puts that play that we talked about back on August 22nd into play. And that's that 395 area as a target. Can we get there? I don't know. It's another 40 points. But certainly looks like it's possible. Certainly looks like this thing is set up to come back. Again, as I reported back then, I don't think it's going to get to that monthly target. That's the sweet buy point. More than likely, this target, 395, still in play, still the target. Though it's probably not the immediate target. We got a bearish 421.49, almost hit, probably going to hit that. Maybe we get a little bounce before that, maybe just after that. Then we try to set up the next leg down to get us to that target. Have a great one.